How to download Days Gone on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to download yourself Days Gone, you can launch the Steam application on your PC. In here, make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. In the search bar, you can search for Days Gone. Currently, it is $49.99 USD. Verify your age, then tap on View Page. Now, in order to download this in your PC, you will have to add it to the cart. Just tap on Add to Cart option. Then select on View My Cart. Remove or cancel out any pending one, then tap on Continue to Payment. After which, select a payment method in the payment section. In the case of debit or credit card, enter the card number, expiration date and security code. Along with, enter the billing address and tap on Continue. After which, you'll be able to get yourself Days Gone for your PC. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.